Hey guys, so I just did a live video on my page, my YouTube, but the Wi-Fi is crappy as I know it would be. I don't know why. I think going live sometimes would be good, but I guess I'll just stick to making videos and posting them. But I just did a live video on my brows using the Anastasia brow definer in chocolate, and it's a normal concealer brush. And my LA Girl concealer just fell on the floor. I use warm honey. So this is the final look. One's rounded and one's more arched. So I was just saying in the video that it depends on your preference and face shape, and you know the type of brows that you have. You just shape them to what you want. I quite like them the way they are right now. I don't want them too thin or too thick. I think they're the right size for me. So I just wanted to come by just to do a quick video on the eyebrows. Just do a close-up. And I didn't have any foundation on anything else, but I just wanted to do that before I put my foundation on and show you guys what it looks like. But check out the video I've got coming out soon. I'm going to try and do a tutorial on a look. I don't know what look I want to go for today, but because I have a fashion lookbook, or should I say a haul, coming up next, I am gonna try and do a nice cute look for you guys and try and record it as well. But yeah, so these are the products that I used. The concealer brush is from a company called the Vintage Cosmetics Company, just a normal brush, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer in chocolate. And I got my LA Girl concealer, and I just take it off when it's finishing. I just take it off, dip my brush in, and I just do my eyebrows. I used to use the brush on hair as well. I don't have a problem using a brush on these, but as I said, when it's getting too low on stock, I just take it up and dip my brush in, because my brush is so small it can fit into it, so it's perfect. So I just need three products to do my brows, and it shouldn't take too long. The more you practice and get used to it, you should be able to do it in no time. And I'm not too fussy about looking all glammed up every day. So, if I just need to fill it out quickly, I'll do that. Not every day I put concealer on my brows. It just helps it to look extra sharp and cute and nice and like defined. But if you just need a quick fill in and stuff, that's fine. You don't have to do the whole shebang. But I really like the fact that I can come and show you guys, because I get quite a lot of compliments and questions, and I just wanted to show you in full bloom, proper quality, because that live video wasn't doing any justice. So thank you guys for watching, and I will get better at it. We all will get better at it. But subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Don't forget to comment as well if you want me to do any looks or try out any products for you. I love drugstore makeup. This is just one of the most expensive eye products I ever bought for my brows. So I had to try it out, and I like it. And as I said in my video, I had it now for more than 6 months, and the spoolie is so strong. I love this. I love it. So if you can get your hands on it, try it out. If not, you can just get a normal eyebrow pencil and just define your brows, and then just fill it in and shape it up, and you'll be good. But I hope you guys enjoy my video. I hope it was a bit informative, because there's not a lot of people that talk throughout, like they don't talk throughout the video. They just probably do just a quick video with just music playing in the background, and just showing you, pop-ups of the products that they use and stuff, which is not a problem. Not everyone likes people talking and going blabbering on. So I won't be blabbering on for too long. I'm finished talking, and I finished showing you guys the 2 different types of brow looks that I like. So one's more rounded and a little bit arched. Yeah, but see you guys again soon. You can share this video to anyone that wants to do the brows quickly. If you know any moms, grandmas that want to do their eyebrows cute and stuff, just share my video, please, guys, because this is all for moms that's busy as well. I'm a mom of 3 and I didn't have time, and I know you guys want to do things quickly and look cute too. So bye guys, see you again soon.